In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Hotmail account. We'll walk through the entire sign-in process step by step. So by the end, you'll know exactly what to click and what to type to open your inbox. This is perfect if you're coming back to Hotmail after a while, or if you're just a bit unsure about the current login screen. First, open your web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you like. In the address bar at the top, type in the web address for Outlook, which is the modern home for Hotmail email accounts. When the page loads, you should see the Outlook sign-in page with a place to enter your details. On this page, look for the box that asks for your email address. Here, type the full email address that's linked to your Hotmail account. That could end in hotmail.com, outlook.com, live.com, or a similar Microsoft domain. Take a second to make sure there are no spelling mistakes, because even one incorrect letter can stop you from signing in. Once your email address looks correct, click the button that says Next. This tells the site to move on and check which account you're trying to access. After a moment, you should see a new screen that asks for your password. Now, type in your password exactly as you created it. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so check that caps lock is off, unless you know your password uses capital letters. If you're on a private computer, you might choose to let the browser remember your login, but avoid that on shared or public devices for security reasons. In some cases, if you've signed in recently on the same device, you might not be asked for your password again, and you'll go straight into your account. If you are asked, just enter it carefully and continue. After your details are confirmed, you'll be taken right into your account. You should now see your Outlook inbox, which is where all your Hotmail emails are stored. From here, you can read new messages, reply, compose new emails, and manage your folders as usual. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple actions, opening the Outlook sign-in page, entering your email address, clicking Next, and typing your password, you can quickly access your Hotmail account whenever you need it.